Problem number 20 in 6.7 says that 10% of the pens made by Apex are defective, and only 5% of the pens made by its competitor, B Ink, are defective. Now, since Apex pens are cheaper than B Ink pens, an office orders 70% of its stock from Apex and 30% from B Ink. All right, let's write that down. Matter of fact, I'm going to draw a tree for this. Here's what we know. Pens can come either from Apex or B Ink, and we're told that 70% come from Apex, so that's going to be a 70, so 30% must come from B Ink. Now, both of these have defectives and non-defectives, so how about this? We'll do a D for defective, D prime for not defective. We'll do the same down here for B Ink, D for defective, D prime for not defective. And we know that 10% of the pens made by Apex are defective, so that's a 0.10 here, a 0.90 here, and 5% from B Ink, right? 5% from the Bs are defective, so this is going to be an 0.05 here and a 0.95 here. And now we're told this, that a pen is chosen at random and is found to be defective, so we know we have a defective pen, that's given. What is the probability it was produced by Apex? So what we want to know is this, what is the probability it came from Apex given that it's defective? So this is a conditional probability, and we have a formula for this. The formula goes like this. In the numerator, we're going to intersect these two events, A intersect D, right? We're going to intersect these two events, A intersect D. And in the denominator, we're going to take the probability of D, that is the probability of what's given. Now, we can get these numbers just by looking at our tree. So in the numerator, we're going to have the probability of A and D. That's going to be this branch right here, A and D. So let's write that. I'm going to draw a long fraction bar here. So this is going to be 0.70 times 0.10. And in the denominator, we're looking for the probability of getting D. So how can we get D? So I'm going to go right over here to our picture. I can get a D here. Let's mark that. And I can get a D here. So let's mark that one. So we could get a defective using this branch or this branch. So let's write these probabilities. On the upper branch, we've got the 0.7 times the 0.10. So we're going to have down here, we're going to have the 0.70 times the 0.10, and that matches the top. Remember, one of these will always match the top. And then on this branch down here, that's going to be the 0.30 times the 0.05. So we're going to add in a 0.30 plus a 0.05. And on my calculator, if I did it correctly, I got a 0.824 about when I round off.